Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, January 19, 2024. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced plans to develop a public park in every parish on a scale similar to the capital's Emancipation Park, the Harmony Beach Park in Montego Bay, and the planned Portmore Resilience Park. Mr. Holness made that declaration on Wednesday as he addressed the contract signing ceremony to launch construction of the $4.4 billion Portmore Resilience Park. He revealed that the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, had been tasked with actively searching for lands in all parishes to create such parks.
And we can do it very quickly because we now have the model to do it. UDC has developed the internal capacity to do it, and we are developing the administrative wherewithal to get it done. So we will be doing more parks for Jamaica, and that is part of building the caring economy.
The Prime Minister says he will outline further details on some of the parks to be pursued in the short to medium term in his upcoming budget presentation. Kingston and St. Andrew will see a significant increase in water availability resulting from the impending work at the Rio Cobre water treatment plant. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Senator Matthew Samuda, says the work will begin on February 16. In highlighting the record-breaking high temperatures the country experienced last year, the minister points out that Kingston and St. Andrew also experienced a 12.5 million gallon shortfall in water supply. But he says this will soon be remedied.
Now, that plant will provide some 15 and a half million gallons into Kingston and St. Andrew daily. So in the worst of your droughts, you have already made the investments, you've already made the arrangements to ensure that in 24 months or less, you will have 15.5 million gallons available. That deals with your current population.
In addition, the minister says there are plans to fix the issue of non-revenue water. This is water that is either leaked or stolen, the bulk of which the minister says is the former.
The government has gone to market and is currently seeking an international partner to do a national non-revenue water drive targeting 20% leakage down from 17 most parishes.
He says the government expects to reach this target by the year 2033. Education Minister Favour Williams has announced that the Creative Language-Based Learning (CLBL) program will be expanded to 6 additional high schools and 10 primary schools this year. The program is designed to identify and address the negative impact of a sensory cognitive impairment on a child's learning ability. Sensory impairment is a condition with which one or more of our special senses, sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste, and spatial awareness, is no longer normal. Minister Williams says the program's outcomes have so far proven to assist students on a larger scale.
The results from the Literacy Education Acceleration Program are very encouraging. 60% of the targeted group improved at least 1 grade level. 29% increased 2+ grade levels, and 10% increased 3+ grade levels in this program.
The minister was speaking in Parliament this week. The Creative Language-Based Learning Initiative is part of the Literacy Education Acceleration Program, LEAP, and is being implemented with the assistance of the British High Commission. A public education program is to begin in earnest by the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, to make Jamaicans more aware of the need to prepare for an earthquake. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie says the parish of Portland is a priority.
As we kickstart the public education program around earthquake, going to be town hall meetings. And Portland, who has been the center of attraction with the last couple of events, we'll be going to Portland to talk to the people in Portland about their vulnerability.
The local government minister insists that Jamaicans need to know what happens in the aftermath of an earthquake, such as understanding that floodings, tsunamis, and landslides are possible.
Into the schools and engaging the business communities, the private sector is very important. We have to expand the net of working relationships right across the communities. And we need to take this message outside of the fine location of the turnover and to go into communities, in inner city communities, where they might think about earthquake only when it happens.
And finally, the World Bank has applauded Jamaica for its robust data collection on tourism, which has significantly aided the bank's ongoing research study titled The Future of Tourism in the Caribbean. A team from the World Bank met with Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett earlier this week to discuss the work. The study seeks to empower regional markets to enhance competitiveness, improve connectivity, and overcome barriers to tourism growth. Minister Bartlett lauded the initiative and highlighted two pivotal studies being conducted by the ministry. They are the Labor Market Study, which is designed to address current and future labor issues in the tourism industry. There is also the Economic Impact Study, aimed at evaluating the implications of adding 20,000 new hotel rooms over the next 10 years. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.